Jan here from Firefly Craft. Today we're working on a fun project. We're personalizing a journal. Found these cute little journals just at Walmart, and I thought our elastic foil gold would go perfectly with this. So we're putting my daughter's name on it. So I'm just going to place the name on the corner here. And before I press it, I'm going to take the pages out and lay them this way so I don't have to press them all. I don't think I could turn down my heat press pressure that much. So press it like this, just a regular 15 seconds at 305 degrees. Elastic foil is cool peel, so we'll have to wait for a minute till it cools down. All right, our elastic foils had some time to cool, so now we're going to peel it off. And you can see it's just beautiful.